trade, BLS International. I caught up with the joint managing director, Shikhar Aggarwal, on their business dynamics and the market for visas and how quickly they expect that market to grow. 6% up on that counter. Listening to a slice of that conversation.
We work with more than 40 client governments in more than 70 countries currently, and all of the contracts that we run with the governments are audited on a regular basis. We have to manage SLAs on a regular basis, and this issue also, as we have said in the past, is sub judice. As and when result comes, we'll definitely be announcing. There is no impact on our revenue. In fact, we have grown. If you see our quarter-on-quarter numbers, we have grown 50% in terms of revenue. In this quarter, our profitability has grown by more than 30%. And our EBITDA margin in the visa business has also grown to around 40% now. So this is where we stand. We've been successful to attain a market leader position. We are currently the number 2 player in the world in this business. If you see in the last 5 years, we have grown at more than 50% CAGR, barring COVID, wherein there was zero visa volume. Still, after that, we've been doubling almost our profitability every year. Next 3 to 5 years, based on the organic business itself, what we currently have in the kitty, the contracts that we've currently won, we see that at least 20 to 25% expansion growth can happen. On top of that, there are multiple tenders, which are coming up for bidding. Opportunities worth upwards of $1 billion, $1.5 billion, where we are bidding, we are qualified. Governments want more players. So we feel if we can grab certain market share of those opportunities, our growth can be further. If you see the visa market itself, the volumes, it is growing at 14%. Annual visa market is growing globally. On top of that, you also have these new governments that want to outsource for the first time. So if you combine all those factors, we feel that we are in a strong position as a company. We have been working for the last 15 years. We have deployed these contracts in multiple countries, and now we are ready for our next level of growth.
Yeah, that's very interesting. In terms of the conversation that we had with him, he suggested that there's no concern with regard to